How you doing? This is Mr. Rosa. Uh, Question I have: how many of us have been into a household, business, recreational place, wherever, and things seem odd? When I say odd, things are missing, valuable um, items, things of value are missing. Uh, the person, the owner, is being different as well. What I'm trying to say is when you know there's a gambling problem, a lot of gambling problems, issues don't come from, you can't, it's not only dealing with monies, dealing with things of value. Um, there's been several times in my personal experience I've walked into places where something was missing on the wall and you knew it was something of value. Person's not driving the same car anymore, they're driving something different, and the car they had previously was nice, very nice. um, Sneakers, there's so many things that come into factor when it comes to materials, things of value in gambling. um, there's a problem. There's a problem. How do we prevent our loved ones, friends, even ourselves from falling into that trap? How do we acknowledge that there's a problem? How do we recognize that there's issues pertaining to the subject gambling? Um, some of us have to remember, some of us have to bring up, you know, things in our life that were great. We were doing good. We were striving. What caused, what came over us to do what we're doing? We're losing things we worked so hard for. Monies, friends, family, things of value. How do we address it? How can we change it? What was the trigger of, of gambling our things, um, in the hopes of winning? On another video, I talked about why do gamblers always lose. I asked that question, and that's something you can always bring up as a person, as a friend, as a friend, as a loved one. Have you ever asked yourself, why do gamblers always lose? Because in that situation, when you see things are missing from the walls, driving a car that is not worth, it doesn't fit the profile that you previously, lived or worked hard for. And that's just perfect because, it makes sense. They're always losing. Even the top runner that you think, oh, he's a good gambler, or he's winning and he's getting this, or she's doing that, or they've gone through the same situations as many of us that gamble. So one thing we need to think about, why do we work so hard to lose it all? We need to think about what's leading us to do these behaviors of gambling. Something to think about, something to help out your neighbor, your loved one, your friend. When you see a situation like that, when you see things of value are missing, that is a big problem. So it'd be nice to bring it up to the attention, and be concerned about it, and help to the individual that's going through it. This is Mr. Rosa. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.